In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can log into your Crypto.com account. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open up a browser, then in the search bar, type in Crypto.com. As soon as you do that, you'll be directed to the official website of Crypto.com. Now, to log into your account, you'll need to scroll down and then click on Trade, and then again click on Go to Exchange. As soon as you do that, you will be directed to the sign up page of Crypto.com. If you don't yet have an account, you can create an account by filling in this information. But to log into your account, you'll need to click on the login option located on the top right corner. Now you'll be able to enter your email address and your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option and retrieve your password. Now after you're done, click on Sign In. And just like that, you will be logged in to your account of Crypto.com. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this. So in order to not miss videos, be sure that you're notified. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.